Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I would like to use a lot of green. I want to make something that will be inspired by St. Patrick's Day color palette. All of the balloons I will be using in today's setup I got from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. I love working with them. They have a huge selection of party supplies, balloon choices, balloons from different companies, not just Qualitix. If you're a new customer to Garland Paper and Balloon Company, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off. This is an affiliate code. It's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. I received some questions about shipment. You guys, I get my balloons pretty quickly from Garland Paper and Balloon Company, 2 to 3 days, and balloons are here at my house. If you do have any problems and you're still waiting for a long time for your balloons, you guys, contact Carolina, contact Garland Paper and Balloon Company, and they will help you out. They will resolve this issue. I will link and list everything in the description under the video. All the balloon count will be there as well. And without any further ado, let's go. Here is what I'm planning to use for today's setup. I have different shades of green, some chrome balloons, pearl, regular latex. Let's break this down. Regular latex balloons, 36-inch and 16-inch in emerald green. Pearl balloons, 5-11-inch. These are pearl emerald green. Then we have chrome balloons in green, gold, 11-inch, and some white balloons in 5-inch. On top of these balloons, I am using electric balloon pump, low temperature glue gun, balloon tying tool, and 20 or 30 pound fishing line to construct this whole thing. Alrighty guys, I am ready to blow all of my balloons. I am using my electric balloon pump from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. I am working with fishing line, so that means I will be pairing my balloons. So I am taking 2 balloons at the same time, blowing them at the same time. As soon as I'm done blowing my balloons, I am pressing them against the floor to give them more rounded shape, and then I am tying them into pairs like these. Chrome gold balloons, I want to blow them as small as I can possibly blow them, to the size of my 5-inch balloons. So what I'm doing here is I'm blowing my balloon and I am pushing air as far as I can into my balloon using my balloon tying tool and tying this balloon. By the way, you guys, I messed up. These are not chrome gold. These are just gold balloons. Pearl, looks like. Time to construct our balloon garland. I am using my 30-pound fishing line. I am tying my fishing line to my first pair of balloons. Your second pair right on top of your first one. Pinch these 2 pairs together with your fingers. Keep on pinching. Take that fishing line, wrap around one of the balloons. Pinch your balloons, pull on your fishing line. Wrap your fishing line around a different newly placed balloon. Pinch your pairs, pull on your fishing line. You can let it go and your pairs are staying pretty tight together. If your pairs are not staying too tight together and you want them to be tighter, you can always wrap around totally different random balloons, like your first pair, and again pull on your fishing line. That will give you more security that your pairs will stay nice and tight together. I am working with just 11-inch pairs and probably including some of the 16-inch green balloons into the base as well. All the 5-inch, all the gold balloons, everything else is set aside. We're going to deal with them a little bit later. Secure your balloon garland, cut a long piece of fishing line, hold it with one hand, with your other hand get that fishing line tail and wrap around one of the balloons. Now you created this loop. Take that tail and feed it through the loop, pull on your tail, do that a couple of times, that way you're making knots to make sure your balloons won't go anywhere and your structure won't fall apart. Alrighty guys, this balloon garland looks like your typical balloon column almost, but I don't want to do that. I want to change the shape of this balloon garland by switching balloons around and kind of play with them here and there, just to give this balloon garland more like of an organic wavy shape. Garland is on a spot where I want it to be. I like it. I like how it looks. I did attach this balloon garland with my command hooks and extra piece of fishing line. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. I do answer a lot of questions about garlands in that video, and I do show an up close on how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks and using backdrop frame with fabric. So go check that video out. Now fun part begins. We are taking the remaining of our balloons and starting to fill in spaces and build this balloon garland the way that we want it to be. I am still thinking to create a little piece of balloon garland and put it right there on that side. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll figure this out together. So let's fill in spaces using our low temperature glue gun. Boom, you guys, I did add this gold fringe curtain last second. I just took my glue dots and glued this curtain in the back of my TV. I did attach these bunches of fringe two different ways. This part over here was just tucked in between my balloons, and other spots I just took the paper that
It has glue dots on and wrapped around my bunches of fringe, and then took additional glue dot and glued my bunch that was wrapped with glue dots straight to my balloon. It holds good. It didn't fall on me yet, so we'll see how long it's gonna last. I love the different shades of green that I have here in my balloon garlands. Camera does not pick up different shades that well, but in real life you can definitely tell that there's a difference in greens. I absolutely love my small orange balloons. I never inflate my balloons to that size, but I will be doing this more. I feel like these tiny balloons add a lot to the garland, and it makes the garland look more organic. I didn't put a lot of white, and I like that because I feel like, in my opinion, if I would have added a lot of white, it would look tacky, but it's just my opinion. Different people, different tastes. You do you. I built these two garlands with my 30-pound fishing line, a low temperature glue gun, and I used command hooks to attach them to my wall and fireplace. I like the quality of these balloons. I love working with Qualitix. Thank you, Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, for beautiful balloons. I lost 4 balloons in 11 and 5-inch. So overall 4 balloons. Other than that, you guys, no complaints. Easy to work with these balloons, and everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. I will share some pictures at the end of this video as well.
This is it, you guys. This is my take on the St. Patrick's Day inspired balloon garland. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in a comment section below. I will try to help you out to the best of my ability. If you're new here, you guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more videos and cool ideas. I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!